And all, welcome to the video. In this video I'm going to be talking about functions in Swift. So how do we define a function? Basically it's pretty easy. You have to just say something like func and then the name of the function. My name takes no argument. The return type should be void because I'm not returning anything, right? Print I am my bad, inside the function, right? And to call the function you can say my name. That's it. You can run it. Sure enough, should print I'm inside the function. Then I'm going to be teaching you how to pass arguments to a functions after this. So let me run that. It's going to take a while. All right, there you go. Now let me show you how it can take two arguments. So let's say we want to pass numbers like let's say a, and of course it's gonna be an integer, right? So I'm gonna say I'm inside the function a, and again remember the return type is void. Now if you want to pass a number, I think this way. Let's see. So let's run it. So this is how you can pass number. You have to specify the colon and then the number, right? So it's gonna take a while to run, and we should see the output. I'm inside the function and the value, right? There you go. All right, now let's try to return some value. So let's try to return this value a. So now the return type should be int because I'm returning an integer. So in order to hold that integer, var my bad my is equal to this print got my. All right, let's try to run it and see whether that works or not. Hopefully it should work. And there you go. So this is how you write a function. This is how you return values and stuff, right? So pretty easy. In the next example, we are going to code the stack data structure. So see you in the next video.